look like this on camera. But what up, everyone? Today is gonna be a little bit of a different video, but it's gonna be like a really fun video. So I had went to like a little event that Alex G posted that he would have like showcased his Bugatti before Lance Armstrong had started working on it again. So I had gone to the event. This is really just me making an intro for the video and everything, because it's already passed like probably like 3 days ago or so. But it's just an event with meeting Alex G. So I met Alex G, I met Briz, I met Not Licensed, I met I think his name is Stable Ronaldo, a few big influencers and traders and stuff like that. So this is just like a video of me meeting them, but also just like showing you guys like a lot of cool cars that was at like the little meet type event thing that he was hosting. So the Bugatti was supposed to be there, but he didn't end up actually taking it there. I don't know why, but he eventually said that he apologized for not having it there and everything. Maybe there was like some problems, like it couldn't make it or something, but he was still there. Got to saw his red BMW M3. Met Brezscales. I'm gonna be showing that in the video too. Like, it's not clickbait or anything. Where he brought his like white Lamborghini Aventador, and a lot of other cool influencers are there, and a lot of cool cars were there. A lot of cool people were there and everything. So this video is just like a little vlog, but like you know, just a little vlog with like / car meet with just like a lot of cool people, cool cars and everything. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll roll to the next clip. Should have brought the G, but like she needed to chill because her cats need to be replaced. But bro, you can see everybody over there. There was an Audi RS3 that I was like driving alongside with. That I just knew it was on its way here. But we got some fire ass cars over there, bro. Damn, bro. I can't even go because it's full. This is really an odd spot for him to have his Bugatti at, but still. Bro, look at the taillights on the M4. M3, M4. M3. Bro, look at all the whips here, bro. Bro, it's such an odd place for him to have the car at, though. I don't really get it. It's like, I don't know, house. But it's really an odd spot, but I guess it's kind of like hidden away from the police and everything, too. Damn, I got a nice BMW on some, like, it's like lowered and everything, looking all nice. But bro, I should have brought the G, bro. You know what's crazy? I'm gonna have to come back up here anyways. That's the crazy part. And I'm gonna have to come back with the G. I should have just brought it. But oh, I ain't gonna stress that right now. Bro, we got an SVJ, bro. Look at that. Bravos. Crazy lips here, bro. We got a Maybach jumping right now, bro. That shit is lit. Let's cross this real quick. Yo, this shit's so fire, bro. Briz is here, bro. Yo. Bro, we got Briz here too, bro. That's crazy, bro. actually fucked up his car, bro. I appreciate that. Bro, I'm not sure whose DimitriVelair this is, but some influencer just talked to Briz and Alex G. Sick content here, bro. Fire ass cars. I got a Revolta over there too. Bro, the paint on this is clean. Bro, I know Stradman got one of these like a few days ago. No, like about 2 weeks ago now. These are hard. These are hella hard, bro. Holy man, there's like a hella people here, bro. I don't even know who else is here, but like you got Alex G here, you got Briz here, you got License, you got that other guy, Ronaldo or some shit like that. Got a few people here. But it's nice little meet. I don't think the Bugatti is here. I think he was saying that earlier that the Bugatti isn't here, unfortunately, but still cool to meet him and everything. Cool to see all these cars and everything, bro. This is hella lowered. Got a Blackwing rolling in too. Bro, I just missed it, but I did some crazy revs just now. 812 super fast. Bro, them BMWs are hard, like they're loud as shit too, like when they're like tuned and everything. Bro, look at the back of that. Porsche's going out. I just don't know whose Porsche it is, but I know it's, I know I've seen it on the internet before. Oh, Briz is revving his, bro. We gotta go over there. Bro, that's Brezz living right now.
They're leaving?
I think they're leaving, bro. Bro, everybody talking about that shit. You can feel that shit in your heart, bro. For real, bro.
Why you waiting?
Hard as fuck.
And then we'll talk.
I'm gonna rough it up.
Everybody bring their little fuzzer.
Bro got a kitty in his back. SRT Hellcat pulling in with our Urus. Porsche to do a rest. Get that right there. Got some more whips rolling in, but I think they're late. Man, that's what Alex G said. Rasta man. Oh yeah? Bro, I did not know the Genesis can sound good, bro, like the SUV. SVJ over there revving up. Bro, I can't wait to get my M340i, bro. I don't know. There's just something about M340i. Like, honestly, in my opinion, it has like a more menacing look than the regular M3s. I'm not gonna talk like M3 is normal though, but like the M3 comps, like I don't know, bro. They're cool, but like the M340is with the lights like that, it's just really aggressive. I'm gonna get these last few clips because I gotta run. Got M4. I have I know he's gonna do something crazy and he's leaving out. Bravos. Bro, now we got cops here too, bro. We got a dip. Got cops here, bro. We gotta dip out. Alex and bro, look, everybody dipping out now, bro. Let me get some of this footage right now, bro. Everybody dipping out right now, but Alex and Briz and everybody else, all the Flim Floors license, everybody's gone already. But yeah, let's dip out of here, bro. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please remember to like and subscribe and everything. It was like really cool. At the end there we had like cops popping up and everything, so I had to like kind of leave there, and then at the same time I was like really busy at the ending because it was like dark out. Just again, this is just me making an outro for it, so I had to like leave the event at one point. Yeah, because cops were there, but also I really had somewhere to go that same following night and everything. So, you know, but all in all, it was really cool meeting all these guys. There's some people that I always wanted to meet, to be honest with you, you know, and like just like see what they're about apart from like being on internet. And they're like really chill people in person and everything, you know. I'm also like really into trading and like stuff like that, so like these are like things that I want to like get more into while just showing my love for cars on the internet. But apart from that, I just hope you guys enjoyed the video. I have a lot of new content for the G coming out. The G looks way different than it did before, you know. It's still like a work in progress, but like, you know, the car is coming along really good. When I drive it on the road, I get like a lot of people that's looking at it, a lot of people that's asking me and telling me they like it and everything. So it's like really cool to like know that I'm working on the car, and like me driving it, like there's people like out there that's liking it and everything. It just makes me happy, like, you know what I'm saying, because I just love cars. Like, this is nothing, no flex, nothing, no, you know, although I don't think you can really flex a G. It's just a G, but like, you know, for what they are and what they can do, like, they're really cool cars, to be honest with you. Apart from when, you know, you got some of these kids that like clap them out and like drift them at events and do takeovers and some like crazy unnecessary stuff. But like, bro, like apart from that though, yeah, like I got some really good content. And then also I haven't really posted like anything on the cars, because if you guys had seen, like I was doing some car shopping. Now you guys had given me so much feedback on those like 2 last videos, because so far for you guys have seen that I look like the Lexus IS F Sports, and I had look at the Toyota Camry and stuff. And trust me, we're getting the car and everything. I'm just not gonna tell you guys what car it is yet, because we have two more cars, but one more we really want to look at. And again, this car is basically like, this car shopping thing is mostly for my wife, because we just want like a daily car. And I will say this too, like I had gotten into an accident like 3 days ago and everything, and I can like show a picture in the video. Of the car, but this like, but yeah, or I just put like into like a next video and everything, because this video is really just based on like the meeting these guys, but just giving you guys a follow-up and everything, because I'm pretty sure I'm dropping this video as immediately as I'm finishing it right now and everything. So it's like I got into an accident and I was gonna trade that car in, so it kind of like caused like a little delay. That's why you guys see like a late upload, you know, and everything, but everything's being worked on. We're still gonna get the car. It's just like, it's unfortunate that I had gotten into an accident. Me and my wife was both in the car, and a lady had to run a stop sign and like crash into us. I think I'll just pop a picture up real quick just so you guys can see it and everything. But all in all, we're okay. We're working on everything. You guys are gonna get to see it and everything, just like a work in progress, because you know, insurance and like accidents, and then we were just about to get a car and everything. So we managed to find a way where this won't really affect us on getting a new car and everything, but it's just unfortunate because we have plans for that car too, you know what I'm saying? So all in all, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. It's Dimitri_Valair. I put it in the description or tag it and everything. But I'll see you guys on next time. Peace.